Number 1. 1982 GMC High Sierra diesel truck, $3,000. Soquel, California. This diesel-powered 1982 GMC High Sierra truck offers a rare smog-exempt status in California. Though it runs, it has intermittent stalling issues and a broken odometer. Registered and with a clean title, it can be a budget-friendly project for a diesel enthusiast or collector. Number 2. 1987 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x2, $2,800, Columbia Falls, Montana. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 EFI engine, this rear-wheel drive Ford F-150 is nearly all original. It features cruise control and rear anti-lock brakes. Minor issues include a faulty fuel tank switch, broken driver window motor, and non-functional horn. With regular maintenance and clean title, it's a solid classic for its price. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $3,000, Dalton Gardens, Idaho. This half-ton Chevrolet C10 has a rebuilt engine and transmission, plus newer components like a starter, alternator, and brake system. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck is mechanically sound and ready to work or cruise. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet C30 flatbed, $2,900, White City, Oregon. This one-ton dually flatbed truck with manual SM465 transmission and a 350 V8 engine runs and drives. Though in fair condition, it is currently tagged and titled, making it a functional choice for someone needing a work-ready flatbed. Number 5. 1987 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, $2,000, Federal Way, Washington. Stored for 5 years, this four-wheel drive F-150 needs a coolant leak repaired. It previously served as a daily driver with a 302 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Some cosmetic damage is noted, but original wheels and trim are included. Number 6. 1964 Dodge 200 Sweepline pickup, $4,300, Sherman Oaks, California. This early Dodge pickup maintains its original look and patina. A manual transmission and complete body make it a standout. It runs and drives, and with its unmodified condition, it's an appealing project for restoration or preservation. Number 7. 1969 GMC 2500 3/4-ton utility truck, $4,500, Whittier, California. Powered by an OEM 292 inline-6 with a column shift 3-speed, this 3/4-ton utility truck features a strong drivetrain and solid utility body. It needs minor rust repair and a windshield replacement, but includes good tires and a recently tuned engine. Number 8. 1966 Ford F350 Custom Cab, 4000, Bellingham, Washington. A mostly original F350 with a transplanted 390 V8 from a 1975 model. It includes a new clutch and updated components like the distributor and fuel pump. The brake system was serviced, and though the tires show age, it is drivable and complete. Number 9. 1960 Ford F250 Long Bed, $4,000, Inglewood, Colorado. This clean and straight mountain truck runs well, but needs a new clutch, which is included. It retains its original straight-six engine and stock components. Minor surface rust is present, making it a solid base for restoration or continued use. Number 10. 1987 Ford F-150 4x4, $999, Shelton, Washington. Offered as a fixer-upper, this four-wheel drive F-150 needs engine work. It features newer tires and is somewhat drivable. As the final year of carbureted models, it may appeal to collectors or DIY mechanics. Number 11. 1973 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $3,500, Rio Rico, Arizona. A short bed project truck with a 350 V8 and matching automatic transmission. Comes with rust-free doors, replacement floor panels, and new front suspension and brakes. Price to sell with negotiable terms for a motivated buyer. Number 12. 1975 Ford F100 4x4, $4,950, Issaquah, Washington. This four-wheel drive XLT model has a 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Though it hasn't been started in years, the body and interior are in excellent shape for its age, a great candidate for light restoration. Number 13. 1972 Ford F100 4x4, $5,400, Scappoose, Oregon. Equipped with a 360 FE engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this Ford F100 runs and drives, but needs brake adjustment and general TLC. It includes some performance upgrades like an MSD distributor. Odometer is broken.